Good morning.
Hello, I'm Maggie, the County Safety Manager. Very nice. Thank you for the greeting. It's very special.
I'm going to give that to you guys inside.
May I introduce you to the passengers? And ladies and gentlemen, this time we do have that special greeting from our illustrious Minister of Tourism of Curacao. We'd also like to welcome to our aircraft. So we're very pleased to be landing Curacao. Thank you very much for the nice greeting.
Hello everybody, my name is Stanley Palm. I'm the Minister of Economic Affairs and Tourism for the island of Curacao, and I would like to thank you for visiting our island. I'd like to welcome you to our sunny island, and yes, you did hear the captain right, it is 28 degrees outside. Welcome, I hope you have a pleasant stay on our island.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You may now deplane. Please ensure you have all your personnel.
On behalf of the government of Curacao and the people of Curacao, I would like to welcome Sunwing to our lovely sunny island. I was looking up on my phone application, my weather application on the phone, and it said that the weather in Toronto is -5 degrees right now, so it's freezing. And I'm not going to have a very long speech. I know you have to make a 1-hour turnaround, so Captain Fire is already looking at me. So I'm going to keep it short. Welcome to Sunwing. We, as Curacao, have great plans to increase the airlift to our island. We are very pleased to have you here on the island. Grateful that you have chosen Curacao as one of your destinations. And we know that you won't regret it. We will be making more and more flights in Curacao in the near future and increase your capacity also. I know that. As we are waiting for the passengers to clear customs and immigration, I have a small token for the captain at the flyer. It says, the government of Curacao welcomes the first flight of Sunwing vacation from Toronto, Canada to Curacao. On behalf of the Minister of Economic Development, Mr. Stanley Palm, Curacao, December 15, 2013.
Out of excitement, I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Andre Arroyo, Marketing Manager for North America. That includes Canada. I'm pleased to work the Canadian market. It's a great market with so much potential. I would like to start by also grantly welcome for Mr. Ralph Blanchard, the CEO of the Curacao Airport Partners, a very important key partner for our continued development of tourism.
A very special good afternoon to everyone. This is a great occasion for us. We absolutely welcome the representatives, management, and the crew of Sunwing. I think you're going to find the product we have here in Curacao complementary to the excellent champagne service that you have on your aircraft. So we do welcome you here as part of the Curacao Airport partners and the operators of the airport. We want to extend to you truly an opportunity to help us help you in a sense. Anything that you see while you're here, anything that we can do to help your service become as profitable as it can be, please let us know. This is our job, and we really want to make sure that your experience here is pleasant on every front, and certainly a profitable and a long-lasting one. So again, on behalf of CAP, thank you all very much for being here. As the Minister said, thank you for including us in your route system. We wish you a tremendous relationship here with us in Curacao. Thank you.
And finally, our most welcome guest of the day, Susan Poland, is our Senior Marketing Programming of the company Curacao. So please, welcome.
Hello everybody. We're very excited to be here today, and I have to say I'm very honored on behalf of the Sunwing Travel Group to be a part of the inaugural flight from Toronto to Curacao. The Minister was a little off. It's actually -25 in Toronto today, and we had a massive blizzard last night. So passengers are very excited to be here. The captain and I are not so happy to be having to go home. I would like to thank the Honourable Minister Palm and all our partners that came out today to welcome us into this beautiful island of Curacao. We are very excited to have built a relationship with you, and we look forward to future flights. hopefully throughout the summer going forward. To all our passengers that are coming through, I just want to thank them for traveling on Sunwing today, and I wanted to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and all the best in the new year. Thank you.